Dear friends, good afternoon. I'm making a English trifle which needs yellow pound cake. So I have layered this bowl with some slices of yellow pound cake. I have this fruit cocktail tin. I have this cherry flavored halal jello, which I got it and I just made it in 1 cup of water, small to medium size square pieces. And then it just gives a very nice taste. This is sweetened coconut flakes. So dear friends, this is how it looks like. We have to chill it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours or more than that before serving it. I hope you enjoy this simple and easy dessert. Make it for your family or your friends and enjoy it. Till next time, take good care.